Good morning, everybody. This is Josh Ezel. Wanted to wish you a happy Martin Luther King Jr. Day and an excellent Monday. Talk to you later. Good morning. This is Josh Ezel with Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's tidbit is one of my favorite experiences I've had as an agent. I'm calling it 3 hours and 6 days. Now, around 2009, 10-ish, 2009, one of my favorite clients referred actually one of his business competitors to me. And this gentleman was looking for a vacation home here in Surprise. So he gives me a call and we chat a few times about what he's looking for. And then next thing you know, he calls and says, "Hey, I'm going to be in town on Saturday. Can you pick me up at the airport?" No problem. So Saturday morning, pick him up at the airport, have 4 homes ready to go, drive him over to Surprise. We take a look at the first house. He really likes it. Take a look at the second house. He likes it even more. Go to the third house. He can't stop raving about the second house. So we go to leave the third house and he just looks at me and says, "Hey Josh, let's go grab a bite to eat. I think I want to put an offer in on that second home." So we go grab a bite, we work out the numbers and decide, yeah, we're going to place an offer, even what we're going to place it at. So he says, "Can you take me back to the airport?" So driving back to the airport, literally the time he's in town, not even barely 3 hours. He flies back to Canada. By the time his plane lands, I have the offer waiting for him in his email. This is before e-sign was really popular. So he signs it that night. I submit it to the sellers. Next morning, that agent gives me a call back. They accepted our offer. So Monday morning, we open escrow and everything goes perfect. First thing, Friday morning, we close on the cash deal. Saturday morning, pick them up at the airport. Friday morning, we close. And total was not even 3 hours in town, and it took us not even 6 days in escrow. It was one of the greatest deals I've had. And not only that, but he actually went into management, and we managed his home in management for a couple years too. So it was a win-win-win. Great experience. So I guess that goes to show. Be there for your clients, go above and beyond, offer them the service, and you never know when you're going to be so pleasantly delighted by some of the decisions your clients make. It's incredible. Have an awesome day, guys.